out in front. That's the team leader, Mark Henry. Off on the far side, aircraft on the swing was the right wingman is Steve Gustafson. Airplane their show airplane. Pilots make it look easy as they do the barrel roll, which might be one of the most difficult maneuvers they do because of the difference in the throttle settings. The outside guy is more difficult than the inside guy. Oh, so easy. It's not. You can't look at the ground. You can't look at the sky. You can't look at your instruments. You rely on the judgment of your team leader. Now, team leader pulls them up into the vertical as they get close to the top. He'll call smoke on now. As they come down, he'll call ready, ready, break now. And all four aircraft fly the veterans downward bomber salute on the 4th of July. And goes in reverse, still going, still going, still going backwards. Give it up for Kevin Coleman. Well, he's an old guy now. He's about 28. I think a hotshot who has some great credentials and who has competed representing the United States over water race courses. Look at this, end over end tumble. How would you like to ride through this? Talk about disorientation. The airplane he's flying